Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to new users. I bit my lip. My name's BeDistinct. Welcome aboard. I'm also gonna start doing this for the rest of my videos. I'm gonna shout someone from my previous video that commented and shout them out in the next video. So for today's video, I am going to be shouting out Mills Garage, bro. And the only reason I'm gonna give them a shout out is because he commented on my video and I used to watch all his videos for like repairs and stuff. Freaking absolutely insane. So shout out to you, brother. So if you guys want a chance to get shouted out in the next video, go ahead, comment down something. So as you guys know, first I was gonna install my honeycomb easy splitter, then they came broken. Okay, then I repaired them and I was gonna install them today and show you guys, but for today's video I decided there's gonna be a Kia Stinger meet. Let's go ahead and crash it. My friend actually invited me to this Kia Stinger Kia only meet, so I'm probably gonna be the imposter there. But okay guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I know this is the intro of the video, but this is pretty much the end. I already came back from the trip and I can tell you right now, we hit some insane curvy roads. Absolutely insane. Scared the life out of me. And well, here's a little small clip. That was freaking awesome, right? Well, you're gonna get a lot more of that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, eat some popcorn. Love you guys. BeDistinct, man. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let's reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, bro. 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Come on, bro. Can we do it? Let's hit it. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Alright guys, so very last minute, I got invited to a car cruise. We're gonna be car cruising to Salmon Lakes, Salmonella. I don't know, but we're gonna be freaking cruising somewhere, and it's supposed to be all KDM, so like Korean cars. So I'm gonna be an outsider, but they let me in, so we're in, boys. So let's go ahead, head to the garage downtown Sac, and oh, this thing's not focusing, and then we'll head out. We're meeting up with Genzilla, the freaking Genesis that just pops insanely loud and never stops. Well, let's go see him. Okay, guys, so we just made it to the meet, man. A bunch of freaking Kia Stingers and Kia KDM cars. And
well, he ruined the meet, bro. It's a KDM meet. He came in. Fucker.
We meet up with what do you call your car? I know he calls it Genzilla. What are you?
I just call her Jenny. I don't know.
Jenny?
I really gave her name. It used to be Crystal before it was blue, but
Crystal, you actually giving it real names and shit?
Yeah.
About my name. You said it's not a real name?
No, Genzilla, right?
You said giving it real names?
No, like you're called like Genzilla. Like, nobody names their daughter Genzilla. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna name my son.
It's her baby plum.
Stingers, bro. I heard that like people sleep on the Kias, bro. I heard they're hella fast. We got that forged carbon in this one. Damn. Everybody's heading out, so we're gonna go ahead, hop in the G and get it going. Damn. Put down the window for y'all. Oh, that's just so sick. I don't know if he's with us. I'm just following him. We should be catching them on the way here. Like, you live here in El Dorado Hills by Salmon Falls or whatever, bro, please be my friend, bro. I promise, bro. Please be my friend. I'll be the best friend you could ever ask for, bro. Please. Someone give me an invite. Give me an invite to a party, at least. To a party. Oh my god, look at these houses, bro. This is where it's at. Holy cow, look at those houses. 35 mile per hour. We're gonna hit this at 90. Yes, sir. Sway bars. Ooh, oh my god. False alarm, bro. Who is that guy? White truck doing, bro? Please move out to the side. Please do us a solid, bro. Bro, you're dirty my car, bro. Damn, bro, come on, bro. Car wash. My bad, bro. Give me a car wash, bro. Yeah. Bro, we were trying to go down the curvy roads and this guy in front of us, bro, he didn't want to move, but he moved at the end, huh? He moved at the end, but then another car was in front of us, so I couldn't even have time to put on my GoPro so I can show you guys. All right, so this is the boy Robert. This boy literally Not kid you not. Like, what would you say, like 30 minutes before the meet?
Yeah,
Literally, bro. Some guy rear ends his Genesis, bro. He chases him. I don't know. It's a whole story, but point is, he got away.
This whole thing cracked.
Damn.
This
Where?
Cracked. This one broke. That one broke.
Fuck the cap.
The bumper broke right here.
The clips.
Popped the bolts out, and then underneath right here, all messed up.
Fuck.
And you see scratches right here, but you can barely see it through the wrap.
And he still showed up. That was my point. He still showed up to the cruise. That's dedication right there.
Dedication.
Damn, guys. All right, guys, we just got done with the KTM meet. Check him out. Look at that. Freaking just pointing at me, looking at me. Weirdos. But anyways, now we're gonna head up to this place called Georgetown. It's like this place up in here, but there's a lot more curvy roads. So I'm gonna slap on the GoPro. We should have some curvy roads finally to show you guys, and it should be fun. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead, we'll zoom back home because we've got to watch the freaking Canelo fight, bro. I've been waiting for the Canelo fight, bro. This year's gonna be a good year. So without further ado, let's go to my GoPro. And I still gotta install my easy splitters, bro. My carbon ones, I finally fixed them. Sheesh. All right, catch you guys there. Alright guys, we pretty much stopped at Chevron because I was running out of gas. Thank God we found this little small town here, and Chevron was the only thing. I know it's super expensive, but man, bro, I can't be left without gas, so we're putting in gas. That thing is stands, bro. That thing's sick. It's got better wheels than me, bro. Woo! This engine took a beating today, boys. And look, this is not even that hot. That's crazy. That's another cool thing about this. It emits less heat than the stock one, so less heat soak. But yeah, and you guys saw how I rammed it, and I'm freaking touching it, putting my hand on it. But yeah, guys, I'm just happy to be back home alive. Everything went, you know, as planned, and I'm here with you guys, ending this video, and not with another tragedy, man. You guys know I had a rough week this past 2 weeks, so hopefully we ended it on a good note. Man, dude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Those corners, they were scary, bro. They were pretty scary, bro. I think I'm done with curvy roads for the rest of the year, bro. It was fun. Don't get me wrong, it was super fun. But but it was so fun because we were pushing it to the limits, and oh man, that was scary, bro. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. I already repaired the honeycomb carbon fiber splitter, so I'm gonna be installing that on next video. And Easy Splitters also brought out a newer product, bro. Honeycomb carbon fiber freaking splitter, bro. Honeycomb carbon fiber splitter. They even reached out to me there. Well, actually, I reached out to them all the time. I'm not gonna lie, bro. But I told them already next month I will come back and get those splitters. But yeah, because I need a break, bro. Honeycomb carbon fiber steering wheel. Ordered honeycomb carbon fiber full hood. Honeycomb carbon fiber splitters, bro. I need to take a break, bro. Literally, I'm being dumb at this point. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, bro. We are close to 25,000 subscribers. I'll catch you guys next video. Love y'all. Be distinct. Be safe. Love y'all, man. Stay safe out there. Have fun. Peace out.